Are you an auditor? Discover the secrets of how German auditors articulate audit findings, ask probing questions, and deliver feedback in a culturally sensitive manner. Picture this. A German auditor is reviewing financial controls at a multinational company's UK subsidiary. The auditor is speaking with the local finance manager about discrepancies in expense reporting. Here is how he articulates audit findings. During our review of Q4 expense reports, we identified inconsistencies in reimbursement approvals. In 15% of cases, the required second-level approval was missing. This poses a compliance risk and may impact internal control reliability. Then he asks probing questions. Can you walk me through your expense approval workflow step by step? What measures are in place to ensure approvals align with our company policy? Have there been any significant challenges in enforcing the dual review in the approval process? How does the team handle urgent expense claims that may require another approach than standard approval? The auditor then delivers feedback in a culturally sensitive manner. I appreciate the transparency in explaining your current process. It is clear that the team is working under time constraints, which may explain some of these deviations. To strengthen compliance, we recommend reinforcing the second-level approval process, possibly through automated system checks or periodic spot audits. How do you see this working within your team's current structure? This approach maintains the German preference for precision and structure while remaining respectful of local work culture and encouraging collaborative problem-solving.